So today is the last day of Dasai. So say bye bye to everyone. Bye bye. We are going to my metro uncle house and I'm gonna show you all the view of Nepal. Okay? Let me just wait. Let me go inside. Everyone is here. So much. Let's go up and see where I'm going. Let's go fast, 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 fast. So tired. I'm so tired. Look, my mother. We haven't seen her bedroom. Hey, why you haven't made the bed? Let's go now. So this is me. I want to say this is my father. Okay. I'm gonna go down again. This is my brother. He's my subscriber. He's my subscriber. You know, he's my subscriber. She is also, but you can't see her properly. So come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. She is also my subscriber. He is also my subscriber. Oh wait, look at him. Good. So your teeth. I don't know. No, here, sir. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What is this? I don't know. Let me just. Alright, now I'm going. Ta-da! Look, everyone are here. She's also my subscriber. The car is wet. The weather is very nice today. Everyone is going, but I'm going to my metro uncle house to have so much fun. So let me just go outside to see. Oh, this is not good. Very bad. Oh yeah, they will make the road. I don't know when, but very bad road. Very bad. It is very bad. Oh no, what is this? We are going to the adventure, but not nice at all. What is this now? Ew! I'm gonna puke. Ew. What? Oh, crops. This is good, but not better than my own house. I'm gonna show you the view. Oh my God, more one guest is coming, but I'm going to my uncle's house. How to do? My mom says stay a lot in this thing. I can't see all of. Oh my God. Beauty. Everyone is having my subscriber. Ew. It is very bad road. I hate the road today. I'm gonna stand here. Oh. This is the car where we are going. Cutie. Ew. Oh my God. Baba. Very bad. Oh my God. Ew. Mommy didn't do one. Good, I had it. Oh my God.
Is it good? Timmy Tani? Timmy Tamala.
खुट्टा लुगा निकाल्नु पर्छ नि जाडोको यतै राख्छ नि
पर्दैन बाबा यतिको भएपछि टोपी
बाटोमा चिसो हुँदैन
टोपी छ हुँदैन ढोका लाउँला नि
We are going.
कोसेली पासेली केही किनेकै छैन त
खोइ के हो अहिले भरे किनौला उतै ल नत्र यहाँ मार्चमा यसो चुस्स निक्लाउँदा हजुर फेरि इलामतिर पुगेला
इलामतिर पुगिन्छ फेरि
के गर्नु
बाबा तपाईँ नजाने
जाने
होइन बा तपाईँ अगाडि बस्नु होइन एकछिन चाहिँ बस्नु न नि अहिले
पछाडि जाने
तलतिर पुगेपछि जाँदा हुन्छ नि मिरा दिदीकोमा बस्नु
अनि यहाँ फेरि
What are you eating?
अहिले मिलाउला
मैले युट्युबमा बस्ने नि
एकछिन नान्दा अगाडि मेरो फोन छ चार्जर परेन
मेरो फोन त परौ नि
या दसतिर
Rare. तिमीले एकछिन निस्कियो त तिमीले एकछिन निस्कियो बाबा नाना निकालेको भयो यस्तो भिडियो बारम्बार नभन्नु लु त्यहीँबाट छिटो खोइ भाइ कहाँ छ? कहाँ छन् भाइ? योगेश खोइ योगेश लु बाबा म हजुर जानु पठाइदिनु
स्थिति
यो पठाउनु पर्ने होइन सानो बाबुलाई दिदीले मात्रै
ल्याउँछु चक्लेटहरू ल्याउँछु
हाम्रो चाहिँ छैन भ्याइएन हाम्रो यो त पछाडिले राखेको
केटाहरू छन् कि
मेरो ब्याग पनि छ यहाँ
हो ठिक छ
कहाँ जाने दादा गुरु यो अलिअलि ध्यादी थोरैतिर अलिक बोल्नै पर्छ होला मलाई कस्तो लाग्छ किन हिँडेको माता बाई 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 गर्दै मातालाई
आउनु भएन त
लाउनै बिर्सेछ के गर्छ जाने एउटा दालै ठिकै ठिक लाग्यो पङ्कुको के भयो जुन कम्फर्टेबल तरिकाले के खानु अहिले कसलाई गर्नु भएको हुन्छ ए हजुर
हिजै त्यो
Wow, so nice view. Can you please go fast? Alright. Fast.
क्रस गरेन हो धेरै नखिच नानी
सर्ट होइन यो भिडियो
नाइ पटक्कै नाइ अलिकति लामो होला आज रुवाबासी थियो होइन अब मिलेन
के कम्ती गरे
राम्रो कुरो लुटाउने क्रममा
मलाई सबैसित पावर ब्याङ्क छ पावर ब्याङ्क
भएन नि धेरै लामो भिडियो काम छैन
घरबाट गाडी छोडिदेखि बोलाएको
भयो यो कहाँ उहाँसम्म भिडियो थाम्छ त स्थिति
एटलिस्ट 15 मिनट त म गर्छु
उहाँ बसेदेखि भिडियो भएन त्यस्तो त्यत्रो लाउन भिडियो त्यसमा मेमोरी नै फुल
अलिक